Hey there, in an effort to make office hours more efficient for you and families, I'm going to show you how to set up appointments through Google Calendar. Come up to your waffle, select Calendar. From here, you will pick the date that you would like to have booked office hours. We're going to click the date and say Create. From there, I'll put office hours by appointment, just so I remember that that's what's happening that day. And then I'm going to appointment slots. Okay, I'm running my hours from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. See if it likes that. There we go. Okay, and then I would like each of my slots to be 15 minutes because I feel like that's enough time to provide support. So I'm going to go to Save. From there, I'm going to my calendar to find my office hours, which are right here. And then I'm going to appointment page for this calendar. See here, it's not the proper week. I'm going to have to flip over to the proper week, which is right here. And here are my office hours. You can see that someone has already signed up. This is the link that you will send to families to have them sign up for their office hours. All they have to do to sign up is click here, and they can put their name in and hit save. Okay, so it's pretty simple stuff, but I thought that might help you on days that you want to have one-on-one contact scheduled out during that time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to help you.